In this problem, we're supposed to put this equation into standard form, and from that we can identify the center and the radius of the circle. So the first thing I want to do is clean this equation up. I'll divide both sides by 4. So I'm going to look at x squared plus y squared plus 5x minus 4y plus 37/4 equals 0. We have a fraction, but there's nothing we can do about that. Now I'm going to rearrange the terms and write this. I'm going to collect the x terms together. X squared plus 5x. I'm going to leave a space, and then I'm going to add y squared minus 4y. I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to move the 37/4. I'm going to subtract 37/4 from each side of the equation. Now, the process involved in these is to complete the square. And if you remember that process, I'm going to do the y squared term first. I'm going to take the coefficient of y, which is -4. I'm going to divide it by 2, and I'm going to square it. And I'm going to add that to both sides. So I'm going to add -4 divided by 2 is really 2 squared is 4. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Similarly with this piece, I'm going to take the coefficient of x, which is 5. I'm going to divide that by 2 and square it. So generally we're going to take the linear coefficient, divide by 2, and square it. That's what I add to both sides. Well, 5/2 quantity squared is really 25/4. So that's really what I'm adding to both sides of the equation. This first expression becomes x plus 5/2 quantity squared. The second one becomes y minus 2 quantity squared. And then if I do the arithmetic over here, -37/4 plus 25/4 is -12/4. That's -3 plus 4 is 1. So that simplifies quite a bit. This now is the standard form. It looks like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. We've got it in that form. So the center of the circle is at h comma k, which in our case is going to be at -5/2 comma 2. That's the center. And the radius is going to be 1. So we've identified the center of the circle, the radius, and we could sketch it now.